to fit ISOFIX brackets to a Mark II Focus. Same process, be it a 3-door like this RS or a 5-door if it's an XR5 or even a base model. On this side, I'm going to fit one and show you how to do it without removing the seat back. And on this side, I'm going to remove the seat back. Both ways are perfectly fine to do. It's up to you which way you want to do it. So you just want to put your hand in underneath the seat base, flip it up, take some Loctite 243 and just put it, dab on each of the bolts. So you're going to want to take your bolt, put it on your Torx bit, nice long 3/8 extension, put it through the bracket, you're going to offer it up, feel around till you've got the bolt in the hole. Now if you try and thread it in at this angle, it's going to be wrong. You need to really push up against the seat to have it at the right angle, otherwise you're going to end up cross-threading it. Don't go fully tight, you still want it to be fairly loose. Now you're going to take your other bolt, do the same thing again, put it on the end of your Torx bit with your extension, feed it through the bracket, find your hole, and remember, push up hard against the seat and nip this one all the way up. And now you're going to want to torque the bolts to 55 Newton meters. Flip your seat base back down. Okay, removing the seat method. We're going to fold this seat down, just push the button and tilt the seat forward. Now we've got access to this release mechanism. So there's a plastic piece there, and in the middle it's steel. This is a hook. So you want to take a flat bladed screwdriver and you basically want to push that hook back like that. And the seat will now, making sure that you keep this straight, seat will pop up and lift out like that. Sometimes they just pop straight out. Sometimes you need to give it a bit of assistance with the trim tool. Basically just going to wiggle it. Take a small flat blade, just pop these covers out. Small dab of thread lock on the threads. Take our mounting bracket and pop the bolts in. Torque them both to 55 Newton meters. Take this piece off and refit it to the seat, and then we're going to slide the seat back in. So just line that up like that. Offer the seat back up to it, just feel for the hole. Now line it up with this catch, and you're going to want to push all the way down till it clicks like that. Check that the steel parts come back forward. Can't lift it up. Close the seat. And then just fit your mounting bracket. So this way round, you want to push it down and then push it up. All done.